Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we share the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we're going to cover a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to clear Cameo Snapchat. If you want to remove your existing Cameo selfie and start fresh, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the iconic yellow ghost icon either on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings, you'll find a gear icon. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings menu. Step 4. Now, scroll down through the settings options until you find Cameos. Tap on it to enter the Cameos settings. Step 5. Within the Cameos settings, you'll see the option Clear My Cameo Selfie. Tap on it. Step 6. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you want to clear your Cameo selfie. Confirm your decision by tapping on the appropriate option. By following these steps, you can easily clear your Cameo Snapchat, allowing you to remove your existing selfie and start fresh with a new one. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.